everyone. So today we are going to learn about the guduchi. The botanical name is the Tinospora cordifolia. Family is the Menispomaceae. English name is गिलोय. हिंदी नेम इज़ अल्सो गिलोय. कन्नड़ा में इसको अमृतबल्ली कहते हैं और इसका कुल जो है गुडुची कुल. सो गुडुची बिलोंग्स टू टिनोस्पोरा कॉर्डिफोलिया मेनिस्पोमेसिए फैमिली. इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी नेम इज़ गिलोय. कन्नड़ा अमृतबल्ली एंड इसका कुल जो है वो गुडुची है. So now we will move towards the synonyms. Synonyms of the Guduchi are the Madhuparni, Amruta, Somavalli, Chinnaruha, Amrutavalli, Kundali, Vatsadani, Jivantika, Chakralakshinika, Tantrika, Mandali. So every synonym of the Guduchi will have some specific meaning. So let us learn those meanings and understand the synonyms of the Guduchi more better way. So what does mean by the Madhuparni? Madhuparni means when the leaves of the Guduchi we crush, it will give the viscid juice like that of the honey. That's why it is named as the Madhuparni. So why it is named as the Amruta? It have very beneficial qualities which act like the nectar. So it is named as the Amruta. Somavalli. So Soma means it gives the strength like that of the Soma, and Valli we all know it is a climber. So the name is given as the Somavalli. Then what does it mean by the Chinnaruha? Chinnaruha means when we cut the guduchi, it will grow again. It will grow again. So it is named as the Chinnaruha. Then what is the Amrutavalli? Amruta. It is when the plant of the guduchi we cut, it will never die. So it is named as the Amrutavalli. Then what is the meaning of the Kundali and Mandali? The both sound similar and have also similar meaning. When we give the support to the guduchi plant, it moves upward in the circular manner. So it is named as the Kundali or Mandali. Then what is the meaning of the Jivantika? Because it has the Rasayana properties. So it is named as the Jivantika. Chakralakshanika. When we cut the guduchi, when we cut the guduchi, we can see the circular structures inside. So it is named as the Chakralakshanika. Then what is the Tantrika? It will resemble like the rope. So it is named as the Tantrika. So these all are the synonyms of the Guduchi. Then moving towards the Rasa Panchaka. What are the Rasa Panchakas of the Guduchi? Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Guru Snigdha Guna, Ushna Virya and Madhur Vipaka. So Guduchi is the Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Guru Snigdha Guna, Ushna Virya and Madhur Vipaka. The karma, the main karma of the Guduchi is the Rasayana. Guduchi acts as the Rasayana. And what is the Agriya karma of the Guduchi? The Agriya karma of the Guduchi is the Amruta, Sangrahika, Vatahara, Deepaniya, Sleshma Shonita Vibandha Prashamananam. That is Amruta, Sangrahika, Vatahara, Deepaniya, Sleshma Shonita Vibandha Prashamananam. Amruta is the astringent, pacifies the Vata, it acts as the appetizer, it pacifies the Kapha, pacifies the Rakta, and it is useful in the Vibandha. It is useful in the Vibandha. Hence it is Agriya is the Amruta, Sangrahika, Vatahara, Deepaniya, Sleshma Shonita Vibandha Prashamananam. Now we will see what are the dosha karmas of the Guduchi. So the Guduchi is the Tridosha Shamaka. Tridosha Shamaka. Then how it is Tridosha Shamaka? It is Vata Shamaka because of the Ushna Virya and Madhura Vipaka. Pittahara because of the Madhura Vipaka and Tikta Kashaya Rasa. Kapha Shamaka because of the Ushna Virya and Tikta Kashaya Rasa. Guduchi is one among the best Medya Dravyas explained and mentioned by the Charaka. Guduchi is one among the best Medya Dravyas explained and mentioned by the Acharya Charaka. Then what are the other karmas for the Guduchi? That is Jwarahara, Rasayana, Sangrahi, Deepaniya, Amahara, Trushnahara, Dahahara, Balya, Pramehagna, Kasahara, Kushtagna, Krimigna, Chardigna, Arshogna, Medya, Rudya and Chakshusha. Like this there are many karmas for the Guduchi. Then we will move towards the chemical constituents of Guduchi. Then what are the chemical constituents? That is giloin, berberin, tinosporide, cordifolide, tinosporon, cordifol, tinosporic acid, beta-sitosterol. Then what are the part used? The main part used is the kanda, that is steam is used. What are the types of the Guduchi? There are two types of the Guduchi. Those are Padma Guduchi and Kanda Guduchi. in Guduchi, the Kanda is used, and there are two types of the Guduchi, that is Padma Guduchi and Kanda Guduchi. Then in what matra it is used? If we are using the Kwata, it is used in the 50 to 100 ml. If Churna, then 1 to 3 gram. And if we are using Guduchi Sattva, that is 0.5 to 2 grams. Then now we will move towards the Amayika Prayoga of the Guduchi. In Jwara, the Guduchi Kashaya, when it is cooled, is to be administered. The Guduchi Kashaya is used in the Jwara. And in case of the Vataja Jwara, the Guduchi Rasa is very useful. So in Jwara, the Guduchi Kashaya is used and it will be administered. In Vataja Jwara, the Guduchi Rasa is very useful. There is one shloka called Guduchi Sariva Draksha Shatapushpa Punarnava Sa Gudo Ayam Kashayah Syad Vata Jwara Vinashanaha. In this shloka, we have the acharyas have explained all the ingredients to make the Guduchi Kashaya, and it is advised to take along with the Guda. So Guduchi Sariva Draksha Shatapushpa Punarnava Sa Guda Ayam Kashayah Syad Vata Jwara Vinashanaha. Then in case of the Vata Rakta, the Taila process with Guduchi Kwata and milk will elevate the Vata Rakta. In case of the Vata Rakta, the Taila process with the Guduchi Kwata and milk is administered. Then in case of the Prameha, the Guduchi Swarasa is taken with the honey, cures all types of the Prameha. We all know there are 20 types of the Prameha, and Guduchi is useful in all types of the Pramehas. In Trushna, the syrup prepared from the Guduchi is beneficial in all kinds of the Trushna. Then what are the yogas for the Guduchi? That is Guduchi Gruta, Guduchi Taila, Guduchi Sattva, Amrutarishta, Guduchadi Kwata. Thank you.